How's it going? It's Jackson over at Contemporary Auto. We just got this beautiful white Sahara Wrangler in the other day, 2018, pretty low mileage for what it is. We got these beautiful LED headlights, color matched fenders, and on this beautiful white paint job. And on this we got a 3-piece hardtop convertible that's great for the summertime. And then for the winter time we have these super capable all-season tires. And on this Wrangler, we do have the beautiful 3-piece top convertible, great for the summer. We have these nice black running boards that look beautiful. And then for the winter, we have these great all-terrain tires on it. And in this Wrangler Sahara, we have plenty of storage in here. And on this Wrangler, we have just over 98,000 miles. The engine is paired to a 6-speed transmission, which is classic to the Jeep. Great surround system. You have Alpine speakers all around, paired to this beautiful Uconnect full screen that is super easy to use. With this beautiful leather interior, super comfortable. And of course you have heated seats and a heated steering wheel, which is great for the winter. Once again, thank you for letting me show you this beautiful Wrangler. My name is Jackson, so please call in to Contemporary Auto and ask for Jackson.